Hello, class. I'm going to do a video recording for lesson 4.4 for your COREC, and it's called Fractions and Percents. I'm going to share my document camera with you now. Okay. So first of all, it says this is on page 48 of your COREC. This is the last COREC lesson. It says to work problems numbered 1 through 4. To work problems numbered 1 through 4. We'll talk about these 4 problems here. We can use ideas from section 4.3 lesson. Those ideas may be used. So let me recap what those. Let me recap what those lessons, those ideas were from 4.3. And basically it was this, the idea of this memory mnemonic, do percents right, please. Okay, where the D stands for, if you have a decimal, and then the underline underscore P says you want to change that decimal to a percent, then that R means that you want to move it right twice. That decimal point, you want to move that decimal point right twice. Okay, and we're talking about the locating the decimal point and moving it to the right twice. Okay. Or the other lesson, the other idea that we shared, if you don't want to take the decimal and move it to the right twice, or what you could do is multiply by 100%. And that would do it also, multiply by 100%. So in 4.3 lesson, I did some of both. I showed you some of both. Now, the only thing is that if you look at these first 4 problems, they do want you to change the following fraction to a percent. So you have a fraction, and they want you to change it to a percentage. So you have to have an answer with a percent symbol. The only thing is like doing this part, decimals, changing it to percent, moving it to the right twice. You see you don't have any decimals. So if you look at 1, 2, 3, 4, none of these are decimals. And so that's for that reason, that's why I would opt for doing this, multiplying by 100%, only because these aren't decimals. If you wanted to do this option, you'd have to first do some long division on this and make it into a decimal by showing your long division. So yeah, you can double check on your calculator and use your calculator, but the long division your teacher wants you to double check, share that you show that you know that how to do long division, okay? Now, the other part of the idea is this part, please, and that stands for if you have a percent, that's the underscore the P, and you want to change it back to a decimal, then that L stands for you moving it left twice, meaning that the decimal point gets moved to the left twice. Okay. Now, if you want another way of doing it, there's always 2 ways to work a problem, right? So if you want the other way of doing it, we would say, or you would divide by 100%. Divide by 100%. Okay. So those are the ideas that I showed in 4.3. Now, this part here says, or follow the following steps. And look at number 1, though. It says multiply the proper or the improper fraction by 100 over 1%. So you see, that's actually this right here, see, multiply by 100%. That's 100 over 1 is simplified as 100%. And they say if mixed numbers are present, then change the mixed number into an improper fraction. So remember, mixed numbers looks like this, right? Mixed numbers look like that. Those are mixed numbers. So mixed numbers, if they're present, change them into an improper fraction. Remember, teachers show you how to do that. You do a little multiplication and a little adding, remember? That's the idea for that, to change into improper, okay? And then after you do that, then you just still multiply by 100%, 100% over 1. And then you would just simplify if you could, or you reduce if you can. Okay, otherwise, you would make use of long division, okay? And you want to include the percent symbol in your answer, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do these 4 problems by multiplying by 100%, because I don't see any of these that have decimals. So rather than do this, I don't have any decimals. So I'll just start by multiplying by 100%, okay? This is over 1. Okay. And do you see what happens here is, see how these divide out? See how these are identical? 100 goes into 100, right? So see, those just divide out and those become ones. And then you just multiply straight across. 46 times 1 is 46%. 1 times 1 is 1. And then you simplify. Don't leave it like 46 over 1. 46 over 1 is just 46%. Okay, so don't leave it hanging unsimplified. Okay. Now, if you don't like this cross canceling, then I can show it without the cross canceling, where I just multiply straight across. 46 times 100, that's a 4, 6, and then 2 end zeros. 100 times 1 is 100, and this is a percentage. And then you can reduce, see, for every end zero on the bottom, on the back, you can cross out an end zero. So you can cross out end zeros. Here you can cross out end zeros. And so 46 over 1 is you have 46 over 1%, but that's just 46%. So you see how we get the same answer there? Okay. So either way is fine. Okay, and number 2, 1 over 50. So again, you want to change this fraction into a percent. So take that fraction, multiply it by 100 over 1%. Okay. And so when you multiply straight across here, only because these aren't identical. Over here, these are identical, so that I said they canceled out. But over here, I'm going to just multiply straight across. 1 times 100 is 100. 50 times 1 is 50. And then that's a percent symbol here, okay? And then this simplifies, you know, these end zeros cross out. So then you end up with 10 over 5%, and 10 over 5 simplifies to just 2. So that's equal to 2%, okay? And number 3, 8 9. So I'm going to multiply by 100 over 1%. And I'm going to multiply straight across. 800 times, or 8 times 100 is 800. 9 times 1 is 9. We got percentage. So you have 800 over 9. And that can't be reduced. Nothing goes into 809. It can't be reduced. But you'll have to, that's why they say though, uh, how they want you to leave your answer, look, they want you to round your answer to the nearest tenths of a percent if necessary. So they don't want us to box this. They want us to actually do long division. So here we do have to do the long division, and you should be able to demonstrate that. The top number goes inside the house, 800 divided by 9. How many nines go into 8? None. If you wear a size 9 shoe, it would be hard for you to put that foot into a size 8 shoe when you really wear a size 9. And then how many nines go into 80? Like 9 times what is 80? So I look at my multiplication chart, and look at the nines. I want to get real close to 80 without going over. So you see 81 goes over, 9 times 9 is 81. So the next best thing is to do 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. So roll with that. 9 times 8 is 72. And then if you have 80 and you take away 72, you should be left with 8, right? 8 left over. 8, 19, carry your 1, 7, and 1 is 8, okay? And then you have another 0 here that you can pull down. And then how many 9s go into 80? So you're like, oh, this looks like it's going to be repeating. 9 times 8 is 72. 80 minus 72 is 8. Okay, but then you have an R, remainder of 8, and we run out of zeros. So what happens is you have permission to add a 0 and insert that, and then put that 0 there. And you want to take it as far as, you have to round to the nearest tenths. They were saying about rounding to the nearest tenths right here. So you want to go to the neighbor. The neighbor is the hundredths place. So we're going to have to go 2 more rounds. So I'm going to bring the 0 down. That's 80. 9 goes into 80 about 8 times. 9 times 8 is 72. And 80 minus 72 is 8. Okay. But then I'm going to go one more time because I need to round this to the tenths. So this is the number in the tenths place. But I have to look at the neighbor. Is that neighbor 5 or more? If it is, I have to add 1 to the 8. So I do need to add a 0 here, and I should pull that down. And 9 goes into that about 8 times. 9 times 8 is 72. And 80 minus 72 is a remainder of 8. And then this A you can leave there. That R you can leave there. You're interested in this. Was the neighbor 5 or more? Yep, it was 8. So you want to definitely add 1 to that. So this gives you about 88.1. 8 and 1. 8 and 1 is 9, right? 8 plus 1 is 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. That's about 88.9. And then don't forget to insert your percent symbol. It's real easy to forget that. Okay. And you want to double check on your calculator. You can definitely do that here. You would do here 800 divided by 9. See all those repeating 8s. And we just terminated at the tens. It said if necessary, right? Round to there's tenths, right? If necessary. So we round that to the tenths place. Okay. Okay. And so that's the only one we had to do long division on. We didn't have to do it on number 1 or on number 2 because, you know, this gave us just 46 simplified. This just gave us 2 simplified. But this didn't simplify, right? And so we had to make it to a decimal form. That's what the instructions said. Okay, now on number 4, you have that mixed number. Remember they're talking about this mixed number? So on this mixed number, I'm going to do a little times here and a little plus for that. And then I'm going to still multiply it by 100 over 1%. Okay. So I do 25 times 1 plus 3 all over 25, right? 25 times 1 plus 3 all over 25. So 25 times 1 is 25, and 25 plus 3 is 25, 28 over 25. And don't forget, we're multiplying it by 100% over 1. So multiplying this by 100% over 1. And then multiply straight across. So 28 times 100 is a 2800. 25 times 1 is 25. And then here's has a percent symbol. And then we're going to just see if that reduces. I bet that will simplify. Put simplify. 2800 divided by 25. 112%. Okay. Right, so that's how we do those first 4 problems, okay? And so you just remember the directions. Change the following fraction to a percent. Okay, those are the directions, okay? And we're multiplying by 100 over 1%, okay? Okay, and when we take our quiz, you can use your sheets or notes to help you jog your memory. The problems are going to be different. They're not going to be the same ones off your review, so you can do that. And it's still a time test, so you still want to do it, ample time. Okay, now 5 through the rest of the problems, 5 through 8 are different. Here, the directions now say that a percent is a part per 100. That's by definition a percent. Percent by definition is like a part per 100. And the example they have is, let's say 4%. 4% means 4 per 100. So they have 4 over 100, and then they can reduce that by 4. They're reducing it by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 100 divided by 4 is 25. Okay. So what we'll do on number 5, you look at the example here for 4%. Look how they put 4 over 100. Okay. And then they divided it by 4. 4 goes into 4 one time, 100 goes into 4 25 times. So they like reduce that, right? They reduce that. Okay. And they made it into a fraction. So on number 5, I'm going to say we're going to use the idea of parts over 100. You're going to use that idea. So your parts for this problem is 2. So you can do this if you want, 2 over 100. And then that reduces by 2 to 1 over 50. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's look at the next page. So page 49, right? Okay. All right, so if we start off, I'll read this paragraph in a little bit, but if we start off with this, we start off with the idea that we want to use parts over 100. And so for us, we have 17.5 over 100. Okay. And notice how I left off the percent symbol here. I didn't put the percent symbol. I left that off. Okay, now I'm going to read this part. because remember, there's a warning, decimals are not allowed in fractions. So we cannot have decimals in our fractions. We cannot have decimals in your fractions, and we cannot have decimals, so that 17.5 is an issue. And what we need to do is we need to clear them out, as decimals. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by a form of 1 that's expressed as a decimal. So for the 17.5, that's in the tens place, that has 1 decimal move. So I'm going to use just 10 over 10, not 100 over 100, not 1,000 over 1,000, just 10 over 10. And then we multiply it straight across. And you'll see that when we do that, you'll see the decimal will clear. 17.5 times 10 is 175. And then 100 times 10 is 1,000. And then we're going to reduce. So I'm almost certain, right, that 25 will go into that. 125 divided by 25 is 5,000 divided by 5. Looks like that's 200. Oh, and I think I made a mistake on this first one, because I think it's 175 divided by 25. I don't think it's 5. I think I typed that in wrong. Yeah, I typed 100 and I can see that 125. Should have typed, put the light on here. Should type 175. 175 divided by 25 is 7, excuse me, and 1,000 divided by 25 is 40. Okay, and I can box that. That can't be reduced anymore. Okay. So just remember that if you have those decimals, you have to clear them. So you can use these powers of 10 up here, 10 over 10, 100, 100, or 1,000, 1,000, depends on how many decimal place values you have. So we only have 17.5. So small. Okay, now on number 7, again, we're going to use parts per 100. The directions are the same, right? The directions are changed as percentage, right, to a mixed number and reduce. Okay, so I don't want a fraction, I want a mixed number. Okay, so let's see. Parts, we have 118 over 100. And we're going to reduce that by safe with 2, right? Even numbers are reducible by 2. So 118 divided by 2. Looks like that's 59. And 100 divided by 2. Looks like that's 50. And that's improper, which means we're going to do, if you're going to write it as a mixed number, right? It's you want to write this a mixed number. So you're going to do long division for a mixed number. So let me do this. And let me do the work here. So I'm going to do 59 divided by 50. That goes into 1 time. 50 times 1 is 51. 50 times 1 is 50. 50 times 1 is 50. And then 9 take away 0 is 9. And that's a 0. That's your remainder. So you see we have clockwise, go clockwise this way. Goes clockwise. That gives you 1 and 9/50. 1 and 9/50. Okay. And that would be your answer for that. Okay. And then on number 8, you want to change 37.5 to a fraction and reduce. Okay, so again, we're using this idea of parts over 100. And so we should be able to use the 37.5 over hundreds. Okay, and what we can do is, I don't know if this terminates, 1/2 terminates. I don't know if you see that, if you memorize that or not. Those become decimals. Those are very popular. 1 divided by 2 is actually 0.5. So you can express 37.5 as 37.5 if you wanted to. Those would be equivalent over 100. You could do that if you wanted to save some time. This 1/2 terminates to 0.5. That would be fine. And then you can reduce by 2. So 100 divided by 2. Yeah, 100, half 100, right? It's 50. You're cutting it in half. I don't think I did this one right. Oh no, I know what happened. We said that you can't have fractions with decimals right up here. You can't have fractions with decimals, so you have to clear them. Yeah, this is not right because we have to clear them. So here I'm going to clear the decimal. So do times 10 over 10. So 37.5. You see that, let's see, 37.5 times 10 is how much? See how you got rid of the decimal? See no more decimal, 37 or 375. And then 100 times 10, right? 100 times 10 is 1,000. So you get 375 over 1,000. Okay, and I think that can be reduced by 25. Try 25. $375 divided by 25. So it goes on top, and on the bottom, 1,000 divided by 25 is equal to 40. And that can be reduced again by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So that gives us 3/8. Okay. And if I work, sometimes this doesn't terminate. See, this terminates, 1/2 terminates. So it was okay to use 0.5. But what if it didn't terminate? Like what if it were a third? A third doesn't terminate. See, 1 divided by 2 terminates. That gives you 0.5. But what if it been a third, like a third 0.33333 repeating it? They have to tell you what to round off to. Otherwise, you have rounding off errors. So that's why. What if this isn't a nice terminating decimal? What if it gives you like the 1/3? Okay, so that's why I'm gonna work it another way, applying the mixed number. You said okay, so let's say I had 37.5 over 100, right? Because we're still using parts over 100. Okay. So then I'm going to multiply and add 37 times 2 plus 1. So I'm going to do 37.2 37 times 2 plus 1, right? 37 times 2 plus 1. That's what this is here. So this is, I'm going to do 2 times 37 plus 1. 2 times 37 plus 1. All over 2, right? 2 times 37 plus 1, all over 2, right? And then you have all this over 100. That makes it like a complex fraction already. It's complex. And then what is 2 times 37? 2 times 37 is a 74. This is 74. So now this becomes 74 plus 1, which is 75 over 2 all over 100. Okay. And this means 75 over 2 divided by 100 over 1. And then, see, I'm supposed to get the same thing back. So I'm just gonna have to keep reducing that. Let me see. 75 over 2 divided by 100. So that's that. And you know how we divide fractions, remember? We multiply by the reciprocal. So this is 75 over 2 times the reciprocal of 100 over 1 is 1 over 100. Okay. And then you're going to multiply straight across. Okay. So now, let's say I'm running out of room here. So I did divided by 100, so I did times 1 over 100. I'm going to multiply straight across. 75 times 1 is 75. 2 times 100 is 200. So it looks like that's 75 over 200. So I need to reduce that. I don't know where to put that. I guess I really don't know where to put that. Put it over here. So I have 75 over 200. And then I'm gonna, I know I can reduce that probably by 25, right? 25 goes into 75 3 times. So that's good because see that matches this result, but we need the 8 also. So let's see what 200 divided by 25 is. 200 divided by 25 is 8. Okay. So that there we have that. Okay. So that gives us 3/8, which which these should be the same because they're supposed to be the same, right? But these answers, I'm just doing them different methods. Okay. All right, all right. So again, the purpose of me doing this mixed number and changing it is because in case it doesn't terminate, 1/2 terminate to 0.5, but what if it were like 37 and 1/3, then it doesn't actually terminate the 1/3. So then you would instead of trying to make it a decimal, like you can't make it 0.33, right? You can on your own estimate it. It's 1/3 repeating decimal. So you've got to work it this way where you just change the mix to improper. That's what's happening here. And then you're multiplying, adding all over 100. And then you have this. And then we have to reduce that, came over here just to reduce that to 3/8. All right, okay, so those are my notes on the COREC lesson the COREC lesson 4.4. Remember, you have take-home lessons in your workbook for extra practice. You can work on them. And remember, I have there's an answer key that we have where you can check your work and a practice test. So don't forget that. Like your answer key here, like for 4.4. Looks like it would start on page 87. Yeah, see 4.4 lesson key 87. And then don't forget you have a practice quiz also in the workbook. There's a practice quiz. I just have the take home, but you also have in the workbook a practice quiz that you can go to, and then an answer key to check that. So just keep up with that because that's helpful. And I was trying to look for mine. I think mine is here. See, practice quiz number 5. You have a practice quiz on page 74. And then again, you could check your work in the back of the COREC because after that 4344, then you have the practice quiz answer key. So you could check your work. Okay. Okay, so good luck with that. Your study.